Alright guys, today the Pixel 9 Pro XL, a quick unboxing. I got the Hazel colorway here. I just picked this up from Best Buy, and if you were lucky enough to get the pre-order deals that Best Buy had at launch, really good deals. I traded in an S24 Plus. They gave me $1,000 for it, plus a $200 gift card, so I had to do it. It was a steal. I wasn't going to buy this, but with that trade-in deal, I would have been a fool not to pull that off. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like, drop a sub. Let's check out the Hazel Pro Pixel 9 XL. Now the packaging on here, very nice. The same color, I believe. That should be the Hazel color. I've always liked the Hazel color on the Pixels. The new way, the new packaging on here. I'm not even sure how it goes. I think this just slides off. Now, again, there's a lot of videos already out on these devices, but I had to. Well, I want to check it out. Now this, you can tell, obviously is an eco-friendly box. Pixel 9 Pro XL. I like the line art on the front. A little different. Now, unboxings, unfortunately, are not what they used to be. So we do get a USB-C to USB-C, and then just the device. OnePlus still does it right. Not like these other companies. When you pay this amount of money for a device, I feel like we should get a charging brick, and that is absolutely a beautiful color. I'm very happy that I went with the Hazel color. I've always liked this color on Pixel devices. Now this does feel very premium. Of course, I feel like all of the companies, even Samsung with the S24 Plus and below, they all just are copying Apple with the design, and that is not a bad thing. I love the iPhones and how they look and how they feel. They always feel extra premium. Now, I do wish the sides of this were matte instead of glossy, but I do like the look of this device and the feel. It does feel premium. Pixel devices in the past, I really didn't feel like they ever felt too premium, except for the very expensive Pixel Fold. But overall, a very nice look, very nice feel and color. It's got some good weight to it. Now, you're not going to see many fingerprints on the back of here. I'm still not a fan of the camera bump. I wish it was a little different. I just do not like how it looks. Of course, we still have the thermometer here on the back, which is cool. Whether anybody uses that is a whole different thing. The Tensor G4 on this device, which, of course, if you've seen the benchmarks, it's very, I don't know, to me, it's not that impressive. Now, what I wish, this phone would be a monster if it had the Snapdragon. Imagine this device with the looks of it, with all of the AI features. Imagine this device with something like the Snapdragon Gen 3 instead of the Tensor G4. You know, again, we'll do some testing on this. We're going to do some gaming on here. And see, it does have the new cooling on here for gaming, so we'll see how that goes. But let's just throw some info in here and check it out. Now we have the Pixel set up. Of course, a lot of what's going on with this device and a lot of the things they talked about when they did announce this device, they're all of the AI features. Of course, I don't really care about a lot of the AI features on here. You're going to have Pixel Studio. You're going to have Gemini, which of course is available on other devices already. This is running Android 14. Hopefully 15 will come out next month. But the brightness on here is, I think it's 3000 peak brightness on here. So if you go outside, you're going to want that. And I am looking forward to testing all of these things out. And we'll just go into settings real quick and see what they do have just coming stock out of the box. I'm sure we have to change some things. So battery life, of course, 5,000 milliamp battery in here. So we'll check that out. Now, one thing I really don't like, any phone over $1,000 should be a minimum of 256 gigs of storage. As you can see here, only 128. That is very disappointing, but it is what it is. Let's check the haptics on here, the sound. Where are my haptics? Vibration and haptics. I do like them at full. So far, they feel pretty good. I don't have any problems with how they feel. Pretty good haptics on here, and usually that's the case on a Pixel device. We'll change everything, of course, once I start using this device. But what I'm really looking for is, I must have missed it. I want display. Brightness level 59, adaptive brightness. I'm not a fan of that. Lock screen timeout, usually around 5 minutes for me. Screen attention, I don't care about that. Dark theme is how I roll. Display size and text. I'm getting older, so we got to turn it up a little bit. Display size, bold text always. High contrast, yeah, I don't care about that. Let's see what we got. Nightlight colors, touch sensitivity, auto rotate, screen resolution. See, so out of the box, it isn't on the best resolution, so we do want to change that. Now, of course, this will drain the battery just a little bit more. Smooth display, that is your 120 hertz. Of course, you want to turn that on. Now, if you don't care about any of this stuff, leave that stuff off and you probably have better battery life. I've watched videos like you have watched videos already, and you know, some people are complaining about the battery. Some people are saying the battery is great on here. We will see. Over time, we will see. But just a quick unboxing. Let me know what you think of this color. I can tell you right now, just downloading some of my apps on here after I did change it over from my OnePlus 12. My SIM will be going in here once everything is good to go. And I will be using this as my daily moving forward. But it is already getting hot and warm. With the new vapor chamber on here, we'll see. Maybe this is as warm as it gets, but it is doing some work right now, transferring all my data over. Of course, gaming tests on here, all the good stuff. I'm gonna go hard on phones this year, especially iPhone season is around the corner. And of course, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, probably the best color in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think of the color. That's it, just a quick unboxing. Oh, real quick, one more thing in the box. Do get some paperwork with a SIM ejector tool, so at least we're getting that. OnePlus is still doing it the right way, giving us a charging brick, fast charging, all the good stuff. But we'll test this out. The cameras, we'll see how they are. Peace.